time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Today is a brand new day. The last full day here in Boston, and today, what should I say, today is party slash a little family reunion slash a little get together. Pure family Jamaican niceness are going today, yeah. So let me explain. My little cousin's birthday was the 7th of July. Sarah's birthday is the 10th of July, and Tyler's birthday is the 16th of August. Now my auntie wanted to celebrate Travis's birthday, which is my little cousin's birthday, when we get here. So they hold out a bit until today. So because Sarah and Tyler's birthday is around the same time, they're celebrating together, but it's really Travis's birthday. But Tyler and Sarah will have a cake and be included and all that good stuff. So a lot been going on around here today, so I'm just gonna go around and show you guys what's been going on. My auntie's been in the kitchen cooking up a lot of Jamaican niceness. So I'm going to go down and show you everybody as much as I can and show you what is cooking in my auntie's kitchen, because y'all, I take wash out last night because I'm going in on everything today. You have manish water, you have rice and peas, but I'm gonna let auntie give you a rundown of everything that we have today. So let's go to my auntie's kitchen. Ready? Let's go down to see. Auntie, oi! She not in the kitchen? How is she there? Auntie? Okay, auntie not in here. But this big pot right here have manish water, so you guys can't really see right now, but I'll let auntie tell you what's going on somewhere here. There's a lot of things she's cooking, but since she's not in the kitchen right now, let me see if I can go find her outside. Don't worry, the camera will be following you all day today. Okay, so she's doing burgers and hot dog. She has sausages over here. And the girl, I heard Travis came, no?
Yeah, Travis.
I go in kitchen looking for you and you're not in there.
No, I just
So when you go back in there, call me, because I have to show what's in the pot, okay? No, I don't see him. Where is it, Bouncy? My cousin-in-law here, this beauty. Say hello, hello. So Kay and I decorate this morning. So she did these blow-ups. The theme is what is this again? Oh Lord, I don't even remember the name of the theme. I hope the music is not too loud in the background. Sonic. So it's the happy birthday of Travis, and let me show you the cakes. This one says happy 7th birthday Travis. It starts? Okay. And then you have the happy birthday Tyler and Sarah on this one, and you have some gift bags here. And my cousin, of course. What are you doing?
Set this bubble machine.
Oh!
And the music.
Oh! Alright, let's go find the real birthday boy. Travis! Hi! Come here! Come here! This is my little cousin. Hi! Hi, Travis! You see cousin? And Erica inside. How are you, big boy? Look how grown you are. Oh my God. How are you? Hello, Travis. Look at his face. That's my little cousin. All right, go back. You're going to destroy Travis?
Yeah.
Why?
Because he said girls do nothing and boys do all the work.
Oh my God, that's so not true, right?
Yeah.
That's so not true. So they have Bouncy, and they're having the time of their lives right now. So it's gonna be a long day, a good day, but I'm looking forward to it. The grill queen and grill king. The grilling happening.
Get it going.
Dude, that looks so good. Come, make we go look in the auntie kitchen. Auntie are going with. Auntie, say hello.
Hello
What's your cooking? What's on the menu today?
Manish water.
All right, manish water just a go on.
Water bubbling right
Watch the
there.
pepper them sit down on the top.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then in the oven we are doing barbecue spare ribs and jerk pork.
Oh, so
we're
ribs
just-
and pork in there right now.
Yes, and pretty soon we'll take them out and put them on the grill to be
Ah, okay. All
smoked.
right.
I'm actually getting
Mac and cheese.
I'm gonna make mac and cheese.
All right.
All right, so I'm going
Oh, and Masha coming with rice and peas.
rice and peas.
Okay.
And barbecue chicken.
All right.
Stewed chicken. So
All right.
pretty soon I'll start jerking the chicken.
Okay.
And I'm going out now to get scallion to put in my manish water.
All right, Skillian from the garden. Be specific.
Yay. All right.
All right, you guys. You guys see good pork, they're ready for the grill. So that's some more pork, auntie, in that one here?
I'm gonna go jerk.
Oh, lordy.
I'm spirit.
Yeah. All right, sir. All right, sir. So what is this, auntie? Sauce you're making?
Macaroni and cheese. So
Oh, so this is to...
yeah, put on the macaroni. When it starts, when the macaroni cook on is over.
Okay, so what you have in this? Your secret ingredients?
Yeah, that is
Hey.
butter, cheese.
Wow. Oh, the cheese in this too?
Yeah, I'm gonna put more cheese in it and parsley.
All right. All right, sir. See the soup there? I'm ready for my soup right now.
This is spare ribs and so on. That
Okay.
is ready to go on the grill.
The ribs for the grill. All right. All right. Oh, but I thought you were jerking chicken too, no?
Yeah, we're going out for the chicken now. The grill is
Oh, so the chicken going now too? You putting the chicken on raw or?
Yeah, we're gonna put it raw.
Okay,
That will
okay,
be-
not do it like the pork.
Pork may take longer to soak, and it may get very the skin may hard. So I put it in the oven.
Okay,
Take some heat,
okay.
take a little bit pork,
Okay.
and actually,
Put it on the grill.
To take the smoke. and burn it.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. So.
All right, sir.
So we're gonna ready now to actually roll.
the good stuff. Kids are playing water fight.
Take that, Sucky Baka! Don't let me down!
Don't wait me, Jermaine!
That was the first time. Honest to God, that was the first one was him.
My baby girl is awake. Hello. Okay. There we go. Everybody's around the table. It's time to sing happy birthday. Uncle promised Travis that Tyler is gonna sing him happy birthday in French, so you make sure.
So guys, we're celebrating Travis's birthday, which was July 6th, but also Sarah's birthday, and it was July 10th.
Whose phone is that? Whose phone is that?
You got the whole government listening right now? That's bro.
And then Tyler's birthday. So we're actually here celebrating all of them. That's why we had it this weekend. And thank you for everybody for coming. And I heard Tyler, after we sing happy birthday, Tyler's gonna sing happy birthday in French. So we'll be in for a treat. So first we'll sing it the regular way. Everybody ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Travis, Sarah, and Tyler. Happy birthday to you. En français, 1, 2, 3. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire, Travis, Sarah, and Tyler. Joyeux anniversaire. Woo! Blow, blow, Sarah. Sarah, blow. Blow harder. Harder, yay.
I'm gonna get the ice cream.
Kylie, you want to cut the cake?
Yeah.
I read for it.
Go ahead. A little young.
Put your hand over Tyler's own, Sarah. Cut. Go ahead. Cut, Sarah. Cut.
All right, thank you.
Yay! Good job, Sarah. Leave the knife right here.
Side.
Kids digging in cake and ice cream. A lot of cousins and family and friends. Yes, you'll have a fork to eat the cake soon, okay?
All right, line up behind me if you want ice cream.
Sarah, you want cake? You want cake? You want ice cream? Okay. Hey, this reminds me so much of home. Paper plate in hand. my gosh, my voice is going again. I guess because I'm talking too loudly outside, but I have to pause from all the festivity that is happening outside to watch my girl at the World Championship doing the 100 meters. So Elaine is about to run the 100 meters, so I'm watching that right now. What a day it was.
I'm wet.
How did you enjoy today?
That was cool. We had a good time.
We had the best time. And now everybody's gone. It's after midnight and I'm heading to bed. Look who is still here. Okay, go. Mama coming. Anyway, you guys, I'm just coming on to end today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoy all the faces that you saw. Okay, take Danny. See Danny here. I'm just gonna end it real quick. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Tomorrow is a brand new day. Subscribe if you're new to the fandom. Catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.